We're continuing to learn more about the impacts of COVID-19 tonight on parents who are reliant on child support payments at a time where this pandemic is changing how everything works, including our court system.
Do you know if you're going to be getting a check for April or going forward?
I'm sure that I won't.
The first of the month came and went, but Lynn Kaplan knew she wouldn't be receiving a check for April and in the coming months. For parents in her situation, she asks what measures are in place.
My son's father is not working because of COVID, and I do agree with that. He is self-isolating, but he doesn't have work to be able to do right now. He's self-employed.
Two different family lawyers tell City News they've received numerous calls on this issue.
I've heard lots of issues about it in the last few days because people aren't getting what they expected to get for support, and there's people who have been sort of cut off from support because their spouse is suddenly laid off.
At this point, what are your concerns?
My concerns, on both sides, is one that people are going to take advantage of it.
In light of COVID-19, courts and related government services are mostly operating online, with judges giving priority to urgent matters such as child abductions, while financial issues like child support are likely pushed back. Therefore, so is enforcement.
In the interim, there's nothing set up to help people who are reliant on support.
Where does this leave them?
It leaves them to wait.
The test of urgency can be hard to meet. A judge must be convinced that your matter can't wait any longer. But a major factor is also where the court is located. According to one lawyer, Toronto has resources to respond faster, whereas other parts of the GTA don't.
There's some parts of the GTA where you can't get support motions yet until it becomes urgent and someone's in dire financial straits. And by then it may be, there may be serious, irreparable problems that you have not having money for a long time.
This family lawyer is advising those who have lost income to take advantage of some of the government's COVID-19 relief programs so they don't miss any payments. Adding that earlier today, an announcement made will see courts have greater capabilities to hear cases,
which I believe will expand the ability to conference get these issues of child support, which admittedly, the past couple of weeks they've been left on the back burner because the court was faced with simply closing up. So there's some hope there.
Well, the province says this outbreak will have some impacts on the flow of payments, adding that it is closely monitoring the situation to minimize these disruptions. You can learn more about this story and get the latest on our website, citynews.ca. For City News, I'm Faiza Amin.